Hello guys, welcome to Global Toy Collection. So today we will unbox this climbing vehicle. So this is remote control. Look at this. Very nice quality and also musical. So let's start unboxing. Look at this. This is remote control. Very heavy vehicle. Flexible. Good color. And also guys, this is rechargeable using battery. And this is remote control. So let's start this. Look at this. Forward, back off, left side, right side. Wow, very nice, good looking. Really guys, so beautiful and very heavy, flexible. Look at this, exhaust and good quality. So guys, please subscribe this channel, like and share this video. Very nice. I hope guys you like this video and this vehicle. So please like and share this video. Okay, take care. Goodbye.